Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this super thick and fluffy kinky straight V Part wig. I'm starting off with my hair braided up already. I have quite a bit of leave out because I'm kind of switching my hair up right now, playing around with it. So I left out enough hair for me to switch my V part around, but for today I think I want to go ahead and go for a middle part. Today's video is sponsored by MyFirstWig. They sent me over this really nice kinky straight V part wig. All the details will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up, as well as a coupon code. They also sent me a couple of goodies. I got some clips and a rat tail comb with the wig, and this is her, but I'm gonna show you a little bit more later. I'm starting off by parting off my edges. When I wear my V part wigs, I have to have a little bit of edges out because I just like that really natural look. When the wind blows, I don't want to be stressed. I want to make sure that my hair looks really nice and natural, and honestly, I'm going for the sew-in look. So I'm going ahead and part down my edges in the front right along where the part will be, and I'm twisting those out of the way just so we don't have to worry about it, and we can go ahead and start to part the hair out for the actual leave out. My hair is blown out and it actually matches the texture of the wig perfectly. I'm really excited to go ahead and try this wig on. Before we can go ahead and finish the braid down, I need to figure out how much hair I'm going to leave out. So I'm starting by parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm parting diagonally towards the middle to kind of create a small V shape. For your V part wigs, you want to have your leave out be in a nice V shape so that it'll lay really flat up top. I'm going ahead and twisting this hair out of the way so I can try the wig on and make sure that everything is fitting nicely. The worst thing ever is to finish your braid down and the wig doesn't fit, so you have to start all the way over. So I'm not worrying about installing the wig all the way around. I'm just going ahead and clipping the wig around the part to make sure that everything lays nice and flat. And once I'm satisfied with the amount of leave out that I have, we can actually get into preparing the hair for the install. So as you can see, I have hair on either side of the leave out. I'm going ahead and combing that hair straight back and putting it in a ponytail in the back of my head. It looks super crazy right now and is giving very much scary movie vibes. If you know, you know, but just bear with me, we're gonna make it work. I didn't want to braid the rest of this hair down because, like I said, I'm switching my hair up a lot right now, so I didn't want anything super permanent, and this way worked really well, and it didn't take me very long to do. So I put the ponytail in the back. I'm making sure that everything is laying nice in the front, and then once I'm satisfied, I'm going ahead and twisting that ponytail up and pinning it down in the back. I'm just using a few bobby pins. I think I used about 2 or 3. And now we can actually pop the wig on for real. So I'm starting off by clipping it around the part, because of course this is where the placement matters the most. You really want your part to be super flat, and once I have the hair clipped around the part, I can go ahead and adjust the rest of the combs along the sides and the back. But now that we have the wig actually placed on our head, I'm going to go ahead and take the leave out that we have twisted up, down, and just make sure that everything is laying nice and flat. She giving fat back right now, but don't judge it because it's just because of the texture of the hair. It's actually laying really flat, but all of that texture is going to come in handy soon because the style that we're doing today looks even better when it's nice and fluffy, and because this hair is super full, it's going to give us that look that we're going for. So this is the natural texture of the wig. It's giving scissor vibes, but we're gonna go in with my wand. I'm using the one that goes from large to small at the tip. I don't know why, but I just love the way these curls come out and have a really natural look to them. I'm starting off by sectioning off the back of the hair of the wig, and we're gonna just take small sections and go all the way up the top of my hair. And I'm only leaving the hair on the wand for about 5 to 10 seconds, nothing too crazy. It took me about 20 minutes to curl all of my hair. I really wanted to do larger sections, but honestly, it turns out so much better when you take your time with it, so that's what I ended up doing. And once I get towards the top, I'm wand curling my hair and the extensions together just so that there's no like demarcation. Everything is blending nicely. It's giving Snoop Dogg vibes right now, but we're going to go ahead and brush it out in a second. If you guys are interested in this wand, I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. I love this wand because it has multiple attachments, so you kind of save a lot of space. I don't have that many hair tools in my drawer. And now that we have everything nice and curled, I'm going to go in with my edge booster and just lay my edges real quick because it would not be a Winnie Jean tutorial if I didn't. And I'm just going ahead and taking my fingers and combing through the hair to get it nice and big. You don't want the curls looking too uniform, but don't get crazy. You also don't want your curls to be super frizzy. Once you have everything fluffed to your liking, this is the finished look. I love how it came out. Don't forget to go ahead and check this wig out if you're interested. It's perfect for my natural girls, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye babes.